Hi guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be looking at how we can scalp boom index and crash index on the lower time frames. But before we go to the lower time frames, we'll look at what has happened on the higher time frame. Okay, I'm on boom 1000 index daily. Let's go to the daily time frame. Is the daily time frame, and the daily time frame shows that the price of boom 1000 index is currently uh, reversing, retracing right now, but with the momentum of these bullish candles, the price could dip a bit and then go up. Okay, more like follow this pattern and go back up. That's the daily time frame for boom 1000 index. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see the price of boom 1000 index is trying to find a top. Okay, but the overall trend on the 4-hour time frame is still bullish, uh, although the ascending trend line has been broken. Okay, you can see the break of the ascending trend line, but the range here that is happening here, the depth of the range is insignificant as compared to the to how far price has gone up. So we might see price ranging a bit then before price goes back, continues its upward direction. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see the range. Price is ranging at the top. Okay, and price is forming like a triangle or like a flag, like a bull flag. Okay, price is trying to form a bull flag, so we might expect spike to come to the top of the range, and the price might drop a bit then for price to spike up and break the top and continue the upward direction. But the overall trend on the 1-hour time frame is also bullish. Okay, in as much as you're trying to sell, be cautious because we have a range bottom on 1000 index. We have a range bottom around here, and we have the range top around here. So you might be cautious when you sell. Okay. For boom 1000 index 30 minutes time frame, the range is quite elaborate. Okay, price is ranging and forming lows. Okay, we continue to have lower highs. Okay, so you might want to play a cautious role. You might want to apply caution in your selling boom 1000 index, because we currently have this ascending trend line. Okay, price might spike up. So the moment price spikes up and breaks this descending trend line, you might start to buy boom 1000 index. Okay, so that's that for the 30 minutes time frame. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame is selling. Price of boom 1000 index is selling, but I won't advise you to sell, because if you place a sell trade where we are right now, that's the bottom of the range. So you might expect price to spike up a bit to the top or to where we have this particular descending trend line before you start to sell. But selling is not advisable. Wait for price to break above this descending trend line, then start to buy along with the spike. On the 5 minutes time frame, price is ranging. Allow the range to break out, allow price to break out of range before you engage. Allow price to break out of this range before you engage. Okay, but price is ranging for now. We might spike up to the top and then get back to the bottom of the range. That's the 5 minutes time frame. Let's look at 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, you can see that the bears are in charge on the 1 minute time frame. Though we have a range, but the bears are more in charge. We spike up, but the bears are always trying to push price lower. So that's that for boom 1000 index. Let's look at crash 1000. Crash 1000 price got to the top on the daily time frame, and it's currently spiking down. Look at price is respecting this top. Okay, we continue to have wicks. Okay, so though the overall trend is bullish, but it's as if this top is a proven resistance area. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see it. Price should start spiking downwards any moment from now. Okay, at the break of this trend line, of this ascending trend line, we expect price to spike downwards and possibly test uh this ascending trend line. Okay, looking at zooming zooming on the candlesticks, the last 5 candlesticks, you can see that the bears are trying to form a top around it, and the top is also at the overall resistance area on the 4-hour time frame. So we might want to sell on the 4-hour time frame for now until we get in contact with this particular trend line where we'll expect to buy. Okay, that's the 4-hour time frame for crash 1000 index. Look at the 1-hour time frame. You can see stopping out and it's about to tip. Okay, so you might consider selling. Okay, look at the 30 minutes time frame. Look at this bearish engulfing candle on the 30 minutes time frame. We are having lower highs on the 30 minutes time frame. This should be our neckline. Our neckline should be somewhere around here. Okay, should be somewhere around here. Let's just put it. Okay, this is an initial neckline. This is an initial neckline. Okay, it should be somewhere around here. Okay, so that's price spikes below this point, you might want to sell. So that's the 30 minutes time frame. Looking at the 15 minutes time frame, on the 30 minutes we have bearish engulfing. On the 15 minutes we also have bearish engulfing. So, and we can see price going down. So look for selling opportunities on crash 1000 index for now. Okay, look at what's happening on the 5 minutes, spiking downwards. You might want to join the spike. If price gets back to this point, it might continue to spike down. So for now, look for selling opportunities. Look for how to catch the spikes or crash 1000 index for now. Okay, on the 1 minute time frame, the spikes are more than the retracements. The bears are active. Bears are in charge. Okay, so you might want to join the bears in shorting crash 1000 index. So that's that for crash 1000. Let's look at boom 500. Boom 500 price is currently booming and going up. Okay, price currently going up. Let's see what's happening. Price already poking into the resistance area. Okay, and we might see price, let's look at what has happened. Let's look at, okay, price is already at the descending trend line. Okay, it's already at the descending trend line. If price breaks above this point, you might see it heading for the top. Okay, so that's that for boom 1000. The overall trend is bullish for boom 500 index. So that's that for boom 500 index on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see price is going up. Look at it's going up, heading for this top. Then finally this top, a break of this particular top, I'm talking about the 3867 top, a break of it will see price continuing the bullish trend. That'll be a break of structure. Okay, so that's that for boom 500 is bullish. Look at on the 1-hour time frame, it's bullish. Look at the strength and the momentum of the buyers. You can see the buyers broke structure around here. See the structure break and price is going up, spiking up. So that's that. Join the buyers for boom 500 index. Look at let's look at it. Look at the momentum. Okay, but be cautious as you join the buyers because price is heading already at the resistance area. So you might want to be cautious even as you buy. Allow price to retrace before you jump in. Okay, allow price to retrace a bit before you jump in to buy. You can see. So boom 500 is buying for now. You want to buy. Then looking at crash 500 index on the daily time frame. Crash 500 is still ranging. The range continues. Look at Look at the range continues on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, what's happening on the 4-hour time frame? What are we seeing on the 4-hour time frame? Okay, we can see that price is forming a double bottom. So this is the first bottom. This is the second bottom. Okay, if we have a third bottom, then this will be a tree drive pattern. We might expect price to go up. Okay, but for now, on the 4-hour time frame, look at this bearish engulfing pattern, suggesting that price might go down. If price going to go down, of course, we have this support around here. This support around there could hold price. That's crash 500 on the 4-hour time. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, you can see these trees at top, like a double top. And look at the break. Look at the break of the neckline. Okay, broke, retested, and price is still trying to go up. Okay, but with this candle, you might be seeing a downward movement of price. Okay, looking at the 30 minutes time frame, crash 500. 30 minutes time frame, the buyers are trying to step in. Okay, we might see, look at this bearish engulfing, but it's currently being filled. Okay, but this bearish engulfing suggests that price should go down, but price is going up. So you might be cautious. Price might be going back to the resistance area. We have a resistance area at this particular point. Okay, price might be heading there if we don't see spike going down. If we don't see this ascending trend line being broken, price might go back to the resistance area. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see break of structure around here. Look at, though we have a dip, price still going back to the top. Okay, and we have more like inverted head and shoulder pattern forming on the 15 minutes time frame. That's the left shoulder, this is the head, and it appears as if price is forming the right shoulder. So the neckline should be somewhere around here. So a break of the neckline, I see we should be able to see price going up. So, but for now, it's ranging. The 5 minutes time frame. What do we have on the 5 minutes time frame? You can see a price forming. We have a high. We have a low. This is a low. Now we have a higher high. All right. And then we have just seen a higher low. This is a higher low. Okay, so that's like a change of character. Price is changing character, it's trying to reverse. So we might not enter the buy position until price breaks this particular structure, or we could just ride with the current buyers and then ride with this current buying momentum already to the point at the top. So that's for the 5 minutes time frame. For crash 500, look at what's happening. The pressure of the sellers, the pressure is reducing. Look at this double bottom. Okay, on the 1 minute. So until we see a spike go down, okay, we just seen a spike, but we need to go below this point. We need to go below this point for us to confirm that the bearish trend will continue. But for now, we might be seeing something like inverted head and shoulder, and price might go up. Okay, so that's that for crash 500 index. Is ranging for now. All right, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also click the like button. You can share the video so that your friends and loved ones can get to see the analysis on how to scalp boom and crash index on the lower time frame. You can drop comment, ask question below the video, click the bell button below the video, like the video, click like button on the video, click the bell button for notifications so that when we release another video tomorrow, you'll be notified. You can also visit our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade boom and crash index. You can also visit another website over fxfables.com to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, is bye for now.